So we have shown you how to remove and replace all 7 cylinders for the convertible top, plus the pump, plus even the pull-down cylinder for the trunk lid if so equipped. And well, as far as timing is involved, if I had to do the job myself and try to beat the clock, I could do it in way less than a day. If you're a shop and you've done the job before, it should not be hard to do this in a day at all, but of course you need to leave yourself some contingency, so you have to plan on a day. If you're a do-it-yourselfer and you're really good, you should count on a day, possibly less. Or if you're very meticulous and you haven't done anything like this before, well, count on it taking a weekend. It is very helpful to have the replacement parts in hand already, meaning the core exchange option that Top Hydraulics offers, because you don't have to remember how everything came apart or goes back together. It saves you a lot of time and hassle to have the replacement parts in hand already. Anyway, we hope that you have learned a lot, you've enjoyed this, and the proper way to end this video is by showing you that this top now works. Let's check it out. The rear bow lifts, the tonneau cover lifts up, the rear bow comes down, the main bow is coming down, now the tonneau cover is closing, and there we go, the top is down. Woohoo!